Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Matic from Binance to KuCoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets around for better opportunities or just to diversify, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Matic, also known as the Polygon token, is a popular choice for fast and low-cost transactions, but transferring it between exchanges requires a bit of care to avoid any hiccups. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section and select Withdraw. This is where the magic happens. Now, search for Matic in the asset list and choose it. Here's a crucial step. Select the correct network. For Matic, you'll likely use the Polygon network to keep fees low, but double-check what's available in 2025 as things might evolve. Next, you'll need your KuCoin wallet address. Hop over to your KuCoin account, go to Assets, and then Deposit, select Matic, and copy the address provided. Paste this carefully into the withdrawal form on Binance. Enter the amount you want to send, but remember to leave room for network fees, those can add up. Before you hit Confirm, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. This adds an extra layer of security to protect your funds. Once everything looks good, review the details and submit the withdrawal. Now, sit tight. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the transfer to complete, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into KuCoin and check your deposit history under Assets. You should see your Matic arriving safely. Pro tip: always verify addresses and use reputable exchanges to minimize risks. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred Matic from Binance to KuCoin. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.